This fertilizer is for free. Simply water your Zamioculcas with it, and it will produce new leaves. Although this plant is easy to maintain, the emergence of new shoots is not a common occurrence. If you want to see young leaves, ensure proper nutrition for your Zamioculcas. To prepare this fertilizer, you only need one ingredient. Put rice in a jar and pour warm water over it. Wait a few hours until the water becomes cloudy. This suspension is rich in silicon, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, potassium, and vitamins. Water your Zamioculcas with it to nourish its roots and stems. You can also use cooled water from cooked rice. This fertilizer is like a vitamin bomb and also provides hydration. Repeat the procedure once every 2 weeks. You will quickly notice that the plant starts producing new shoots. Rice water alters the soil's acidity and protects against diseases. You can also use it to water other potted plants. Making it practically costs nothing, yet the results are astonishing.